MC King. Burger. Your weekend's cheap meal. Chop the onion. Slice the mushroom. We use PureRamic frying pan. Melt the butter. Stir-fry the chopped onion. Stir-fry the mushroom until soft. Add some garlic. A spoon of cornstarch. Stir-fry evenly. Add some water. Oyster sauce. Black soy sauce. Black pepper. Half piece of chicken stock cube. Stir-fry evenly. Pan-fry the burger patties. Heat up the burger. We use Ouchu Black Gold Series, stock pot 3,500 megaliters. Deep fry the curly fries. Dip the cooked patty in the sauce we made.